Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we had finished biology first lesson, microorganisms. Now, this session, we have start another new lesson in physics. Physics first lesson is measurement. Before that, we will see physics. Okay, what is physics? Do you have any idea? Physics is nothing but it is a branch of science. Okay, physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. Physics is considered as the base of all science subjects. Physics is based on experimental observations, not theory observations. Okay, these topics are present in this lesson. First one is introduction, system of units, International System of Units, SI base units, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance, Planck, accuracy. We will see one by one. First, introduction of measurement. What is measurement? It is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity, that is measurement. We need three things for a perfect measurement. First one is instrument, second one is standard quantity, and third one is acceptable unit. These are very important things for the help of the measurement. Next, we will see things for measurement. These all things are used to measure the objects like scale, tape, liter, weighing machine, speedometer, thermometer. We are using all things. Next, try this. Try to measure the length and breadth of your science book using a rural scale. How? Take a book and use rural scale to find its length. To measure fixed quantity is called a unit. Unit is a standard measurement. That means if you want to measure the textbook, length of the table or length of the classroom, etc. Now we are going to see system of units. These are important things. There are three system of units are there. What is this? The first one is FBS, second one is CGS, and third one is MKS. The SI units is an international system of unit introduced in 14th General Conference on Weights and Measure in 1971. Some common systems of units are FBS. F means a foot for length and B means a ounce for mass and second for time. In olden days, they measuring the length they using their foot. Second, CGS system, centimeter for length, gram for mass and second for time. The third one is MKS, M for meter, meter for length, kilogram for mass and second for time. Three systems follow in measurement. Among these three, CGC and MKS and SI units, International System of Units, that abbreviation is SI units, that called metric system, that is used in measurement purpose. FBS, it's followed British System of Units. So these are the system of units is a very important of measurements. Next, standard units, SI units. I already said is an international system of units is also known as SI system. The international system of units abbreviated is the metric system used in science, industry and medicine. Next, the base units 7 in SI system. Now we are going to discuss about base quantities, unit and symbols. First, base quantities. Base quantities are given: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Next, unit. The length unit is meter, the symbol is small m. Mass unit kilogram, symbol kg. Time unit is second, symbol is small s. Temperature unit is Kelvin, symbol is K. Electric current, the unit is ampere, symbol is capital A. That is the rule for writing a symbol. So we should not use it in small letter A. You use it only in capital A. Next, amount of substance, the unit is mole, the symbol is mole. Quantity, luminous intensity, unit candela, symbol small letter CD. Next, the International System of Units, SI. K means Kelvin, they use in temperature, M means meter. It measure in distance. A means ampere, it measure electric current. S means second, it measure time. Mole means to measure amount of substance. Kilogram means to measure mass. CD means to measure the candela, to measure the intensity of light. Next, temperature. What is temperature? In this chapter, we are going to discuss all the things except length, mass, time, because you have already studied in lower classes. So, remaining temperature, electric current, amount of ampere, luminous, intensity. If you have to see the last 4 detail in 8th standard. So, first I am going to explain about temperature. What is temperature? We know it's a sensitive one. That means if you touch any hot substance, you feel hotness, or any chill substance, you feel coldness. So, a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. So, this is called temperature. Okay, next we will see this and find hot and cool, which is hot and which is cool, but we don't know how much cool and how much hot. We know ice cream is cool and the fire is hot, but we don't know how much cool and how much hot. So we need measurement with the help of temperature. What is temperature? The definition is measure of average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. Energy is two types. One is a potential energy and kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but it's a motion energy or movement energy. Suppose water is a cell. If heating the substance, inside the water molecules, hydrogen or oxygen, they are moving here and there. That is a kinetic energy. Okay, next SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometer is used for temperature measurement. How will you measure the temperature? Only with the help of thermometer. Okay, the many thermometer are there. Next, the definitions. The measure of how hot or cold something is. The average energy of moving molecules. The faster the molecules move, the higher the temperature, and vice versa. The three scales are giving Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin. Fahrenheit is a freezing water and boiling water. Freezing water 32 degree and boiling water 212 degrees. Celsius is a freezing water 100 degree and boiling water 100 degree. Freezing water 0 degree. Kelvin is a based on absolute zero. K is equal to C plus 273. That is a formula. In these thermometers, melting point of few ice is taken as LFB. LFB is nothing but it is a lower fixed point. UFB is nothing but it is a upper fixed point. Boiling point is upper, melting point is lower. Okay, next types of scale: lower fixed point, upper fixed point, number of divisions in thermometer. First, types of scale: Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius, 32 degree Fahrenheit, 273 Kelvin. Next, the conversion of scales of temperature. The general formula for the conversion of scales of temperature is Celsius expressed C degree, Fahrenheit expressed F, Kelvin expressed K. We should not use a degree. So, we use only K, Kelvin. How will you convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, Kelvin to Fahrenheit? Here is the formula there. So, we easily convert with the help of the formulas. C minus 0 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. These are the formulas. The various thermometers also there. Next, application of thermometer. Hospital, scientific lab, dairy farm, food industry, bakery, weather station, etc. They are all places they are used in thermometer. This is application of thermometer. Next, so far students, we saw about measurement and the physical property. First one, temperature. Next video we will see the remaining properties. Okay, thank you for listening.